Hello and welcome to the presentation of the project RFQ Smart Manager. The RFQ Smart Manager is a specialized coded agent designed to streamline procurement decision making by autonomously process incoming requests for quotation. It operates within a broader automation ecosystem that integrates email ingestion, intelligent parsing, backend updates, and scoring logic. The outcome is delivering fast and explainable evaluations of vendor proposals, leaving the final decision to the procurement team. So let's see how it works. The coded agent is the core of a multi-component automation pipeline built in UiPath Maestro that includes also a Gmail connector that captures incoming RFQs in a structured email format, a UiPath agent built with Agent Builder that analyzes that email and returns a structured Json file containing all the information relevant to the RFQ, an RPA process that uploads the Json file into the storage bucket for data retention purposes, a UiPath Coded Agent that matches the new RFQ with the existing ones, giving us a score from 0 to 100 with detailed explanation, and an MCP Server that is leveraged by the coded agent to retrieve data from the procurement system and also to add the new RFQ to the same system without having to interact directly with the system. So this is how the Maestro process has been built. As you can see, it starts with a trigger event from an incoming email in a structured format related to a RFQ proposal. So if we start the Maestro process, the process will also manage an internal procurement system that this is the one that we created for demo purposes, but since it uses the MCP server, it can leverage any internal procurement system. So the email has been received, then the UiPath agent will analyze the body of the email, which is a structured data, and it will create a JSON file in structured format. So we see now all the data that has been extracted, the project, the vendor, the amount of the proposal, and any additional nodes. After that, an RPA process will upload this data to the storage bucket, and then the coded agent will start on a serverless machine. The coded agent is built using LangGraph, so it has different states for any activity. So we see now that these are all the states. First it downloads the transcript, then it parses the new RFQ, it fetches all the existing RFQs using MCP server, it gives out a score from 0 to 100 along with the explanation, and then it uploads the new RFQ into the same system. Finally, the Maestro process creates a draft email for the procurement team with the score, in this case 82, and the detailed explanation of the score. And then we can also see, if we refresh the portal, that the new RFQ has been added in the portal itself using the MCP server. So this comes with a lot of advantages, like for example using the backend system instead of the RPA. Any change within the system does not affect the process. This is also vendor agnostic because the MCP server can be hosted on any internal server. The coded agent is faster than a normal automation. The average execution is around 5 seconds including the data update. Thank you very much.